Hello viewers, thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm working on the 2019 VW Tiguan. It has the rear light here that has a crack and water has been seeping in. You can see from the lines when I shake the vehicle, the water also moves, and I will be changing the rear tail light today. We pry out the vent cover on the tail light side at the back here. So next we do is that we pull that red clip out. That gives us the ability to be able to pull the wire out from the harness. We also rotate the knob anti-clockwise to release the tail light. We can now go ahead and then take out the tail light from the body frame. So we have our new part here in the box. We'll take it out, compare, and then make sure everything is similar to the old one, and we'll go ahead and install it. So in order to put it, make sure that the piece sticking out goes into this hole, the white hole that we are looking at. So after putting it, there's still some gaps in there, so we'll be rotating the knot clockwise and adjust the tail light to make sure that it lines up with the body of the vehicle. And, we can plug our wire back into the hole or harness. So after doing that, you have to push the red pin inside. And let's check and see. Let's turn our signal. Is that light? That works well.
Now put our vent tray back.
And that is all that. This is how to go about installing the tail light on this model of VW. Thank you for watching.